In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Spotify playlists to Notion. If you've ever wanted your favorite soundtrack right inside your notes, project hubs, or study dashboards, this is a quick and reliable way to do it. We'll grab the playlist link from Spotify, drop it into Notion, and then fine-tune how it looks, so it fits your page perfectly. First, open Spotify on desktop, web, or mobile and navigate to the playlist you want to feature. Look for the three-dot menu next to the playlist's name. Click it to open the Share options. Here, you can choose Copy Link to Playlist, which gives you a standard URL, or Copy Embed Link, which is tailored for embedding. Both will work for our purposes. If you are on mobile, the Share menu works the same way. Just make sure you've copied the link for the exact playlist you want to show in Notion. Next, switch over to your Notion page where you want the player to appear. You have two simple ways to embed it. The fastest is to paste the link directly onto the page. Notion will usually recognize it and offer to create an embed. If you see that prompt, confirm it. If you don't get the embed option or it shows up as a bookmark card instead, no problem, use the / command. Type /embed to insert an embed block. Then paste your Spotify link into the box that appears and confirm. Within a moment, you'll see the Spotify player load right into your page. If the player doesn't appear immediately, double-check that you pasted the full link. Then try the other link type you copied from Spotify. Once the player is visible, you can adjust how it looks so it blends with your layout. Hover over the embed to reveal the resize handles along the edges and corners, then drag to make it wider or taller. A wider player is great for pages with room to spare, while a more compact size fits neatly into narrow columns. If your page uses multiple columns, you can also drag the embed block into a different column to reflow your design. Take a moment to check how it looks on your screen and make small tweaks until it feels balanced. That's all it takes. You've added a Spotify playlist to Notion, and it's ready to play right from your workspace. Keep in mind that playback depends on Spotify's availability for the viewer, but the embed will always display cleanly. If you ever want to swap playlists, just replace the link in the same embed block. Thanks for watching.